Origami boxes can actually be quite useful as gift boxes, packaging, or even as convenient things to organize your work desk and throw random desk debris into. This trapezoid origami box with its stylish sloping sides is one I have remembered and used often down the years. It's easy to make and quite impressive to look at. With the square paper color side up, fold it in half vertically and horizontally. Unfold to create these two creases. Flip the paper over and now fold along both diagonals of the square. Unfold flat. The creases you just created allow the model to collapse down to this 4-lobed diamond shape. Place it flat and lift the bottom corner and fold it up to the top corner of the diamond. Unfold it and now fold the bottom corner up to the horizontal crease we just created in the last step. Fold up along the horizontal crease again to create this trapezoid shape. Now flip the model over and repeat those steps on the other side. Lift the model and look at the 4 lobes of it. Fold in the sides with the trapezoid colored shapes so that the white and unfolded alternative sides of the model are flat to work on. Fold one of the bottom edges of the diamond towards the vertical central line. Repeat on the other side to make it symmetrical. Now flip the model over to repeat this on the other side. Fold the bottom point up to the top point. Now fold the point under and downwards to tuck it into the pocket of paper formed by the trapezoid shape at the base. Make sure it is tucked and folded tightly with no give. Flip it over and repeat on the other side. Also fold down the white triangle on top downwards towards its base and unfold to create a crease that will help with the next step. Now open up the lobes of the model, insert your thumbs into the colored pocket on the trapezoid side of it and start spreading it open. The white area will need to unfold flat to form the base of the box. The edges of the base need to be cleaned up into straight creases. Adjust the corners so that they are sharp and clean, and your trapezoid origami box is ready to use.